Hello, Assalamualaikum. Nama saya Haris Imran. So, hari ini saya nak present tentang coffee maker. Our topic. Next. Table of content. Introduction. Our team member objective. Product chosen. Design selection. Design problem. Part design. About us. We are the company that want to make a coffee maker that is a kitchen appliance design to brew coffee. It works by heating water and then passing it through ground coffee bean, extracting their flavor and aroma. There are many different types of coffee maker in market nowadays, each employing various brewing principles, but the core process remain the same. This is our team member. Muhammad Hafiz bin Khairul Manufacturing Engineering. Muhammad Firdaus bin Shukri, Design Engineering. Haris Imran bin Muhammad Isa, Industrial Design. And Aira Jordan Anak Alexander, Sales Marketing. Introduction. This project details the design and development of a smart coffee maker integrating advanced functionalities and as use-centric approach. It showcases a complete product development cycle from concept to prototype, addressing growing consumer demand for efficient brewing solution. Student engineering demonstrate proficiency in mechanical design, economic and sustainable manufacturing. So Hafiz.
Okay, for the objective, the primary objective of this engineering project is design and develop in automated coffee brewing system. So our objective, we have 5 objectives. First is to implement user-centric design principle in creating a functional, aesthetically pleasing appliance. To apply CAD tools for precision modeling, to utilize appropriate material selection, and to improve brewing efficiency, usability, and product maintainability. And lastly, to ensure compliance with electrical and mechanical safety standard. Okay, for product chosen, our group choose a coffee maker machine. A reason for we select this product is because growing global demand for smart and efficient coffee appliance, user pain points with existing model such as poor thermal efficiency, difficult cleaning, complex interface, limited customization. Okay, for the market demand, a target market young professionals, students, small office worker, and urban dweller. We has managed the survey, and in the survey, the customer that respond to our survey demand for fast brewing time, preference for premium look, modern design, and multifunctional feature. Customer expect features like app connectivity, programmable reset, and smart and eco-friendly operation. Next. Okay. Room for improvement. Where the design address many issues. User interface. Firstly is user interface. Further refinement of the touchscreen experience based on usability testing. Second, app integration needs enhancement for better smart functionality. Third, material sustainability consider of more eco-friendly or recyclable material. And lastly, is beverage variety where limited to espresso and let milk fruiting. For design opportunities, this project open door for future product iteration for smart feature expansion, multi-beverage capability, eco-conscious improvement, customization, enhancement, and lastly, accessibility. Okay, next.
Okay, for the design problem, at the current market, we have analyzed that the existing coffee maker model is lack of modularity, poor thermal efficiency, inconsistent output quality, and interface complexity. From the problem above that we have analyzed, we see the user often encounter difficulties related to cleaning, long brewing duration, and limited beverage customization option. Furthermore, many low to mid-range machines fail to incorporate smart control system or adaptable component. Our project is seek to resolve this issue by introducing a design that emphasizes intuitive operation, modular maintenance-friendly architecture, integrate control system, and high durability. Through systematic problem-solving framework, such as the design thinking process and quality function deployment, this report details how these design deficiencies will be addressed in the proposed product. Next. Okay. So this is the first sketching that all of us has drawn. The first sketching is by Firdaus. Second is by Hafiz. Third is from me, Ari Jordan. And the last one is from Haris Imran. Next. Okay, so after analyze and asking from others group, this is the final design selection, which is sketching 3. Okay. Next.
So for part design, so the first picture show a main body of our products. The second one is a water level indicator, which is the left side of our products, our steam coffee machine. And third picture is opener lid to that used for open and close compartment. So next. So the fourth products, coffee outlet nozzle, which is to make sure the water of coffee is out. So the fifth picture is a deep tray, which is to letakkan uh, lebihan air yang jatuh daripada kopi tersebut. So the six picture is for a cup holder, which is to hold the cup of or a bottle, and the the picture of seven picture is the assembly drawing, which is the final product of and final design of our products. So next. So this is a expert view from our product, which is this part is we explode, and this products has a 6 parts. Next. So okay, this is for part material. So the first component is opener lid. So we use the heat resistant polycarbonate, which is PC. So the reason for selection is high temperature resistant, transparent and crack resistant. So the main body we choose ABS material, which is strong, lightweight, easy to mold, and cost effective. And third component, drip tray, we use the Triton copolyester BPA free, which is non-toxic, pressure resistant, clear, food grade, safe. So for the cup holder, we use stainless steel 304 ABS plus rubber, which is corrosion resistant, modern aesthetic, or impact absorbing plastics. So for the coffee outlet nozzle, we use stainless steel 304 because safe for contact with hot liquids, rust proof, food safe. So the last one is internal water tank. So we use the heat resistant polypropylene PP because of low cost heat resistant food grade. Next. So thank you from our group. So Aroma Kopi Harum Semerbak membawa idea yang bijak dan sepakat. Dengan izin kami undur diri, semoga ilmu ini terus berbakti. Sekian, terima kasih.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bab